Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bigger Than Race. You know who this is? This is your boy, Brando. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to dive right back into it. And today we are going to be peeling some more of the stellar lumen onion. Now, I know I done told you. I've showed you. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. Now, I'm just going to highlight once again what runs on the stellar universe. And the stellar universe runs on the cosmos. So we have the euro. We have the US dollar. We have the Chinese yuan. We have the lumen. We have the pound. We have the Nigerian naira. We have Bitcoin. We have Ethereum. We have the Brazilian real. Swiss franc. Ladies and gentlemen, the digital dollar is already here, and it's called the USDC coin. I've already told you this. It's ran on Stellar, and it's running on Algorand. XRP Ledger is nowhere near in the picture. Why? Because they would have told you it was XRP that was chosen. But it happens to be the lumen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go down and we're going to see on the partnership page, we're going to come to Evil Martians, which is a product development agency specializing in stellar-based projects. That means everything they work on is for stellar. Now, ladies and gentlemen, extraterrestrial product development consultancy. Extraterrestrial product development consultancy. Now, everything revolves around space. Now, why do they need to call this an extraterrestrial product? Evil Martians is a distributed product development consultancy that works with startups and established businesses and creates open source based products and services. Evil Martians invade products that are pivoting or experiencing explosive growth for internet startups and larger companies building spin-offs. Local startup going to an IPO as a part of a global business. A small team trying to disrupt a whole sector becoming a market leader. A big company launching profitable spin-offs. A unicorn shipping on point and improving engineering culture. Stories that happen with Evil Martians as the technical backbone. E-commerce. The ability to make assumptions, run multiple experiments, make changes and iterate is what makes or breaks an e-commerce startup. Open source is our bread and butter at Evil Martians. Enterprise. Who says elephants can't dance? More and more enterprises are investing in building internal startups to diversify, try new approaches for new customers, or stay relevant when battling the competition. Fintech and blockchain. The defining ability of a successful fintech startup technical team is to be able to find the perfect balance between shipping product as fast as possible and still conforming to all security practices and standards. On demand. Startups have seen some of the most explosive growth in the past years. This comes with the need to scale to the highest loads and introduce new products quickly and without breaking any of the existing functionality. SaaS, software as a service startups is where lean software development methods shine. Every SaaS product team, no matter whether it was bootstrapped or just received a round of financing, needs to know how users use their software, where is the most significant value, and what are the features that are often misunderstood. Now here is who they're working with. They're working with eBay. They're working with Gett. eBay, we have shipped eBay for Business, an official eBay tool for sellers, and eBay Social, a storefront with cashback and bonuses. Gett is a leading on-demand mobility company in UK, Israel, and Russia, represented as Juno in the US. I know Juno. Here, they've worked with Groupon as development team of a once small Russian group buying startup. We've seen it go through an inspiring success story of explosive growth, being acquired by Groupon and becoming part of Groupon's IPO. Evil Martians were responsible for all technical activities, including back-end and front-end development, DevOps, and scaling under immersive load and training for future employees. So basically, Evil Martians has their hand at the foundation of these companies. And if they're doing this for Stellar, ladies and gentlemen, you can just see the potential there. They're doing this to build companies up for Stellar. Fountain. We've started working with Fountain when it still was a small startup straight out of Y Combinator as a core technical team behind Fountain Software, doing back-end and front-end development and being responsible for scaling the software. We were happy to see them become an industry-leading hiring platform for hourly workers. So they just keep doing it well. We got 2U here. We got Common. Amplifier is own proud product of Evil Martians. Create, discuss, schedule, and analyze your social content for all your channels and build a killer social strategy in one powerful tool. You have Tynes, Kin, Podium. Evil Martians have developed a mobile application for Podium, featured in Inc. 500 and Forbes. Fast Company, the leading interaction platform for local business. Fund That Flip, Gravitational, Zeptolab, DVC, Mayhem is founded in 2017 and backed by Y Combinator. Mayhem brings gamers together in tournaments, leagues, and other real-time community-driven events, providing automatic game tracking, leaderboards, and global chat features. So basically, Evil Martians is pretty much showing you what is being developed for the Stellar blockchain. And we know Stellar wants to get into gaming. And as you can see here, we have confirmed it by Mayhem. This is actually kind of big. What else do we see over here? DVC is a data and models versioning tool for machine learning projects built by Iterative AI and published as open source, founded in 2018 in San Francisco. Inti is the UK-based style advice mobile application disrupting the market of professional stylist services. Neuromation. Martians help to improve the documentation platform for Neuromation, the AI marketplace and development platform that pioneers the use of synthetic data to build more capable computer vision AI and provides SaaS for managing data, neural network models, training, and experiments. I want to see what they got over there. Who are some of their partners? Neuromation. They have face detection. Wow. AI-powered cameras, object detection and classification, medical imaging, industrial robots, manufacturing. AI-based face mask detection system. This is funny because AITX, a stock that we're invested in, they have robots designed to detect for the facial mask. If you're not wearing it and if you are wearing it. Wow, this is crazy. Efficient face mask detection solutions powered by computer vision and deep learning, compatible with all types of IP and CCTV cameras, instantly detect if people in public are wearing protective face masks and proactively manage adherence to sanitary regulations. And you can start a free trial. This is crazy. They want you to wear the mask at airports, hospitals, public transportation, retail locations, sports venues. Wow. And you can get a free trial today if you want. Let's look at the marketplace real quick. Okay. Wow. And then we have Gett Crypto here is a cryptocurrency infrastructure platform providing worldwide exchange operations via retail channels, POS, ATM, and bank cards. See, they just are building on top of Stellar for the future. The most friendly crypto wallet in the world. Okay, so this is just a wallet. Martians assisted Cadenzi in scaling up its Ruby on Rails application on the back of the influx of users, which stressed the workloads. Very interesting stuff on this Evil Martians website. Martian Chronicles, interplanetary dispatches on back-end, front-end design, development, operations, management, and Martian lifestyle. Wow. So basically, what they do, clients trust us to the core technical team behind their products. In product development and UI design, we take function over form and rely on analytics. We take pride in our software development, expertise in open source projects. We handle infrastructure, administration, and ensure service reliability. We strive for improving engineering, culture, and team processes with mentoring and audit. Wow. They're really big. So for blockchain development at Evil Martians, we help startups and enterprise clients build secure, trusted, and decentralized environments using distributed ledger technology. We have experience both with mainstream public blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, Stellar, and permissioned and private ledgers and frameworks, Hyperledger, Exanom. Let's look into them. That's not going to pop up. We also help our customers choose the proper platform for their applications. We deploy to Google Cloud, Amazon, VPS providers. People go to them to help with their projects. And they're specifically helping these projects for the Stellar blockchain. So much stuff. I don't know. Stellar just always seems to amaze me. There's always something. Evil Martians has worked with some of the biggest companies. And they're specifically doing this now for Stellar. They've been doing it. They're in Brooklyn, New York, San Francisco, Russia, and Japan. Resistance is futile. Our agents are everywhere. It's crazy. Let's take a look at their Twitter real quick. You can tell a lot by somebody's Twitter. And we're just seeing what's here. If there's any clues. The story on our project with Fund That Flip, the exciting house flipping industry online lending platform. Yeah, we saw them there too. Let's see. Let's see what their website looks like. Huh. Maybe they help people get funding for properties. We're the pure hard money lender. Growing your real estate business requires competitive interest rates, attractive loan to value ratios, and first class service. Wow. Wow. Well, evil Martians. They are the solution, and they are helping these companies grow. So we know what Stellar has going on in the near future because we can see what's being developed for them on the Evil Martians website. So, guys, I just wanted to bring you this video because I thought this was very interesting, and I want to thank Peter for also bringing this to my attention as well. You know who you are. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank all of the community members, the Patreon members, the individuals who support the channel by providing donations. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want more information, more deep dive content, other than what you are seeing on YouTube, please click the link below to join the Patreon group. It's $7.77 now, ladies and gentlemen, and Tier 2 is $77.77, but the price will be going up. So, get in where you can now for $7.77 and enjoy the positive energy that comes from that number. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for loving us because we love you. You know who this is? This is your boy, Brando. Bigger than race. Investigate truth on your own terms.